Hello, everyone. Um, my name is Jose, and welcome to my first video on trading. I'll be using this opportunity to record myself live in my trades and kind of journal my trades by videotaping myself and explaining my thought process to myself, and then in a way kind of teach it to anybody else who's interested in trading. I'm using this as an opportunity to get a better insight of my thought process, become a little more self-aware, become a little better trader, and as well teach anybody who's interested in learning to trade. As the saying goes, if you want to master something, then you got to teach it, right? So trading, there's a big learning curve in trading, so this is highly recommended in the trading community to get a better insight on your trading habits and your thought process. So we're 4 minutes into the market opening. Let's dive in, right? So the software that I use for trading is DAS. So let me log in. And this is what it looks like, right? So for today, I already preset up my watch list. I'm part of this chat room, and we go over this daily in the mornings, and we select the stocks that are in play for today. They have a potential catalyst, a good news for gapping up or gapping down. So for today, I'm watching NEO. Yesterday broke an all-time high. Is right now it's trading at an all-time high. So it's going to be interesting to see what it's going to do today as well. So NEO has just been over the summer has just been crazy, right? Epsel, again, this is also another stock that is trading at all-time high. So it's going to be interesting at the open to see if it's going to sell off or if it's going to keep going, right? So this is a very interesting one that I'm also watching for today. Oxy, watching Oxy. It's also trading mid-range, not quite at an all-time high, but we'll see what it does. ACV, I have some levels marked up here, possibly reaching, and XPEP, which is also, this one is also trading at all-time high. So we are 1 minute 46 seconds, 44 seconds into the open. So let's see what else. Let me see. Let me mark some levels on Oxy. I haven't marked some levels, so before the market opens, let's see if for potential support or resistance levels, right? So let me see if it looks a good level over here. So let me mark here. Make this way. Good. It looks like a support. If you can get up to 20, 21, it might also good. Possibly get to 18. Okay, and we'll wait on and see what this one does. So I was just marking these levels up here on this chart. All right, with 20 seconds left, so 1 minute. We got my 5 minutes. So go to NEO. I'm gonna look at NEO for the foresee a potential opening range breakout. 7 seconds. And the market is open. Let's see what NEO does. No, interesting. No volume on NEO. So usually at the open, I'm waiting for to see a lot of volume come in for me to take a opening range breakout, which is one of my favorite strategies at the open. But if I don't see anything good or anything with a lot of bottom, I usually just watch and wait the first 5, 10, even 10 minutes of the market opening. So for NIO, as we can see in the 1 minute, there's not much volatility going on. So the volume is picking up, but it's not coming in as much as high. So let me look at the Aurora is selling off, ACB. Let's see what Oxy is doing on my other screen. So ACB looks interesting. There's definitely some volume coming in, sold off. And let's see if we can break, if we can go above the VWAP. The VWAP is this blue line. I use this as it's a powerful indicator using for institutional traders. So us retail traders can rely heavily on this blue line, the VWAP. Okay, now there's some volume on NIO coming in as well. So let's see with ACB, there's still nothing. Oxy selling off, ACB. Everything is really extended from the VWAP at the open. So usually I'm a little cautious on entering any of those trades because there's still that fight for power between buyers and sellers, bulls and bears, right? So right now, as a wise trader, it's good to just sit on your hands and just watch the market go and see if the bulls, the buyers, or the bears, the sellers, will win the fight before entering into a trade. Now, as example for ACB, looks like maybe the bulls might be taking control over the price, so they might be pushing the price higher. But I'm just waiting to see if it's going to break the VWAP level, this blue level, before going inside a trade. But this looks for a potential long. Let's see what it does. It doesn't. Okay, I'm going long, and my stop loss is going to be at the VWAP level. My stop loss is at the VWAP level. So if it reaches below this level, I'll be exiting the trade. And see what it does. But right now it looks like there's a lot of it's a bullish sign, right? It broke that blue level, the VWAP line. So let me see when it gets it. I'll take some partial here. So let's see the 5 minute. So let's see if it keeps breaking higher heights. So there's definitely look at this, look at the bigger bits right here on the ask price. So there's definitely some bullish signals on this one that this stock might keep going, might keep getting higher heights. I see some big ask price. So when you see a big ask price on this side, it could potentially signal that there's a lot of demand for that stock, right? So these are bullish signs. So but see the bears are pushing the price down, so I might just exit out all my positions soon, and I'm out, right? It didn't. Let's wait and see what it does. I'm out. Okay. So now it could be a potential short if it stays below this line. Okay, let's go short. And now my stop loss is going to be at the VWAP. At the VWAP. So going short, we borrow the shares from a broker, from my broker. Let's see, we'll sub 25 here. And The whole point of going short is buying the shares at a higher price and selling them at a lower price. You can still make a profit that way as well. Let's see if you sell. We'll cover another 25 here. And let's see if what go next. Okay, XP is doing a nice reversal. So let's see. Let's see in this one. This one looks like a nice reversal. Wasn't able to make a new 5-minute low. So this one is a good entry for a long. He wasn't able to make a new 5-minute low. So this is a potential long. So I'm gonna go long here. I'm going long here with a stop loss. With a stop loss, let's because of my risk tolerance, let's make it a stop loss here if it goes below this price, right? But it looks it looks like a nice reversal here on this candlestick, right? It wasn't able to make a new 5-minute low, so okay, let me take another cover 25 here. We'll write it out. Let's see if we can get to some of these levels. Okay, let me take partial here. Let's see how our ACV is doing. Okay, so it's definitely keeps dropping. So we can let this one right out. I still have approximately 282 short shares. So I'm gonna cover another 25 here. For ACV, looks like it's losing some momentum now. Let's see if this one can write it. Gotta give it some time, right, to see what it does. So there's definitely some bullish signs. Okay, look at ACV go. So this was a great entry. So now I can let this one, let it run as much as it can. So price I'm selling, covering. Let me cover some here. It looks is dropping, so I'm just gonna get out here from all this one. See what it does. Still some buying pressure. I think ACV found a bottom, so I'm all out. So let me cover all of them. Cover 100%. Okay, I'm all out on ACV. This one, yeah, it dropped, so I'm all out as well. So this could be a potential good entry for short. If there's still not any buying, or I can use this one as my stop loss. Go going short here, using this level as my stop loss. there's a new trend forming here. In the 5 minute, you try to push higher, you fail, are rejected. Okay, so now it's let me cover some here. So getting slowly rid of some of the shares. Looks like it might stay weak. Let me take another cover over here, another 25%. There you go. Cover that 25 here. Cover another 25. So you could be using this potential wick over here all the way as a support level, right? It might not go lower than that, but we'll just have to wait it out and see if that's the case. But it's using that. It might be using that. So I might mark this one down as a potential level. See if they can rise the price higher or if it breaks this level, because as you can see at 934, it attempted to, it went down all the way to 63, around 63. Or okay, so it's definitely breaking this level. We'll just cover another 25 here. And we'll just cover 100%. Right, so it's respecting this as a, it looks like it's using this level, this 64, around 63.14 as a possibly support level, right? They're not going to allow the price to go lower than that. Now might be a good time to go long. Again, with this one with my stop loss, so I'm going long with a stop loss around this level, the 63.14. See if it fails, then we can just exit that position. I like to take my partials 25% because I only have a daily profit of $200 per day, right? So I don't usually like to trade as much in the afternoon, so just keep myself in the morning. I just take more partials in the morning. Let's see what it does here. There's some volume coming in. Again, this is my stop loss, so if the price goes below this level, exit out. Let's see what it does. Hands on the trigger, looks like it's dropping, so yeah, it's using that level beautifully. So you see how it attempted to go to this level, but again it got rejected, and there you go. There's the volume that I was looking for and waiting for. Now we got some biomass, so that's beautifully. That's what I want to see. Getting this level rejected again, and then boom, pushing back at it. So now we can cover 25% here, just to lock in some profits. Let's see, Oxy. What is Oxy doing? If there's anything else, Oxy looks interesting. Okay, covering 25. Covering on a 25 here. here. Cover 925 here. Okay. That was a nice one. Cover 925. Covering, I mean, selling. So let's see positions. All right, I seem to have made a mistake, but let me see. Where's my trades? Oh, that's my positions. Okay, so I am done with my day. Uh, that was a nice. I just covered all of them. So I was making a mistake. I made a mistake on I made a mistake on this one instead of doing instead of covering here. I was instead of selling here. I was covering. I was using the wrong hotkey. That was my mistake. But so this is how much I made today. 143 on ACV. I lost a couple of them in my going long. This one fell, stopped me out. Then I had a nice entry, a nice short entry on XP, and I took that nice reversal again for another nice one. Sorry. So my total profit for today was around 1,630 with 56 cents. Again, with commissions and everything. So let me check that my balance. It should it's approximately my net. So my net with after commissions and everything, it's on 1,591 with 45 cents. That is not as accurate as possible, so it could change, right? So again, thanks for watching. I'm done for the day, right? I hit my goal, so I hope you have a great rest of your afternoon, and thanks for watching.